MicroStrategy provides zoom-in capabilities on a variety of visualizations to see data at a more granular level. By hovering over data points, users can highlight specific data and show tooltips with supplementary information. Users can also select multiple data points on a chart to exclude or keep only within a visualization. More extensive filtering options are available within the dashboard that allow users to narrow down or slice and dice data. Multiple display styles are available for filters, including checkboxes, drop-downs, radio buttons, or even text searches. Filters can be set to target a single visualization on a dashboard or can be set to impact the entire dashboard sheet. Filters make it easier to identify trends as they narrow down the scope of analysis. In this example, by applying a filter on a map, we can automatically zoom in to the desired data points. Users have the ability to interact with data points and can drill up or down and across visualizations as well, all with simple, easy-to-use menu options. The Show Data menu option allows users to display the underlying data for any visualization. Once the data is displayed, users can continue to sort, add more data, export the data into a variety of formats, or even use this data to create a new grid visualization on the same dashboard. Users can use the menu option to perform many more interactions within the dashboard, including switching chart types, removing data, exporting, duplicating chapters or pages, copying, moving, editing filters, and more. Additionally, users can also sort, create quick calculations, and add thresholds, custom groups, totals, reference and trend lines, and more. Users can create custom groups on the fly. This can be done easily within the dashboard interface using point-and-click options. With intuitive graphical editors, multiple data points on a grid or chart can be grouped together to create new subdimensions. All this can be done without modeling any data, scripting, or IT intervention. The newly created custom group is saved as another new dimension and can be reused across the dashboard. Users can use the custom group dimension as a filter on the same dashboard and can also drill to different levels within the custom group, as with any other dimension in the dataset. Users can toggle between showing the data as a value or as a percentage by clicking on intuitive buttons on the dashboard interface, so there's no need to create new dimensions. Users can enrich their data on the fly and can create new dimensions from existing geography and time hierarchies, all without any data modeling or coding. For instance, users can generate year and month data from dates or state and country data from zip code information. In this example, we can use graphical menu options to create new time dimensions on top of the date dimension. The new time dimension can be added on the dashboard to filter the content with the time selector. Users can add color thresholds by grouping data points together, making it easier to identify trends. Multiple color palettes are available for creating visual thresholds, and they can be applied to any chart or grid. MicroStrategy gives users the ability to maintain an overall view of the dataset while visualizing a subset of it in the dashboard, which is especially helpful when the number of data points is large. It's possible to add any visualization into the filter panel, letting users build and use highly visual filters. In this example, we add a map to the filter panel, which gives users a graphical way to narrow down information. With this map as a filter, users can easily select neighborhoods they wish to filter on. Alternatively, MicroStrategy offers a variety of selectors and interactive charts, like this Google line chart that delivered different ways to narrow the focus on a large data set, while still maintaining the overall view of the dashboard. MicroStrategy lets users create a single visualization with calculations and filters for the same metric. In this example, the user is able to use graphical menu options to show totals and subtotals on a grid. Additionally, users can build level metrics and choose the level where the aggregation needs to happen. This can be done by forcing the calculation to a specified dimension or level within the metric editor. Users can show the total of the campaigns at the quarter or grand total level, even when the visualization is designed at the campaign level. The newly created metrics can be reused as an additional metric within the dashboard. Notice that the dashboard has a filter on top using the region dimension and applies to all the new metrics that are on the visualization.